In this video, we are going to see that if you want to fix the mic quality in Discord application, here is a quick fix for you. What you have to do is just click on this home tab, and after that just click on the U tab basically on the bottom right. And once we are in here, it shows the profile, but we have to move to the settings on the top right corner on the gear icon. Just click that. And from here, just scroll all the way down to the app settings section where it says voice. Just click on that. And from here, we have different settings. We can adjust the auto sensitivity if you want to toggle that off to make sure that it has some impact. You can try that. You can select any kind of voice activity here as well. You can adjust the volumes of the input and output volume. And also, if you want to suppress the background noise, you can select crisp, standard, and none based on your preferences. You can also turn on or off the echo cancellation and automatic gain control. So these are all the settings. One of them might work for you to have a better mic quality, but from here you can make all the adjustments you need, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.